I'm going to show you how to put a book on hold in Destiny if you go to Drakes Creek Middle School. So first, you will want to go to warrencountyschools.org. Once you get there, you will see something that says schools with a drop-down box. You want to click that, and then you will go to middle schools, and then you will click Drakes Creek Middle School. Once you're on the Drakes Creek Middle School homepage, you'll go to quick links, and you'll see a long list of links that you can click, and you will want to click Media Center. Once you're there, you'll see this very big button that says Library Catalog, and it doesn't look like a button, but it is. And if you click it, it will bring you to the it'll bring you to the Warren County Public Schools little page, and you will want to click Drakes Creek Middle School. And then that will lead you to a little page that shows Miss Hale's classroom, and you want to hit login. Once you're at the login page, you do not have a Destiny username or password, so you will want to sign in with Google. And then it will pop up with your school Google account, which you will want to log in with, or it will automatically log you in. For me, it automatically logged me in. So then it'll take you to the Destiny Discover homepage. You will then see many books, and then you will find the one that you want to put on hold. Once you find that book, you will click it. Once you click it, you will see the title and the book itself and all of its info. You'll be able to like it, and then here you will be able to put it on hold. If you click that, no one can check that out until you do. If you see a little red tag, that means someone already has it checked out, but you can still put it on hold. So yeah, that is how you put a book on hold in Destiny for Drakes Creek Middle School.